In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use the AD Creative AI to quickly create high-quality ad content that captures attention across multiple platforms. So Ad Creative AI is designed to help you create just a visuals and copy effortlessly using AI to tailor your ad for maximum engagement. Everything just by using the artificial intelligence. This is perfect for marketers, perfect for social media managers, and even small business owners. So it saves a lot of time and boosts ad performance. To get started, of course, I'm going to go directly into the adcreative.ai. You have the link down below in the description to get started totally for free. So once you click down below, you're going to be earning a few credits to start with your own ads for free. So I'm going to choose to sign up with Google. We can choose from an account, we can choose from a specific email, choose whatever you like to, and go for continue once more. Your account should be created in actual no time. You just need to grant the access between your email account and the adcreative.ai in order to have access to a lot of information about yourself. Now, here it's going to be asking us to add a payment details. This is totally for free for the next 7 days, so you don't have to worry. If you don't like the application, you can just cancel this anytime before the 7-day trial. Even they're going to be sending us an email reminder before my trial ends, so I am not going to be receiving any recurrent payments or unexpected payments, something that I do appreciate a lot. So there, we are now inside the adcreative.ai. So this lets for multiple platforms. We can use Facebook, we can use it for Instagram, we will even use it to Google. So select the format that fits your platform so the AI can optimize your ad dimensions and specification accordingly. To get started, we can of course import our landing page or even our own website. So we can import one brand in here. We can write the brand name on the description. We added a brand logo and selecting brand colors and some advanced setups. For example, changing the font, adding an alternative logo, our Google Ads account, Pinterest ad account, LinkedIn, Meta Ads is totally optional of course, and you create your own brand. This can be helping you and of course can help the artificial intelligence to understand what exactly is your brand and what exactly you are actually looking for to make the generation of your image. So let's close this, for example. We can of course make sure of the notifications, and I'm going to import everything about my store and start with my website of course. So you can see that we have this scanning of the landing page or the website. So just wait a few seconds till the artificial intelligence understand a little bit more about what we're actually looking for. So I'm going to open any tab. I'm gonna preview my website so you can check out the colors, you can check out the thumbnails, you can check out the titles, the fonts, everything. So you can see that we have like a Halloween stuff here, right? So with this information, the artificial intelligence generated something here. So I have the brand name here, which is Go, the brand logo, the brand colors, and some advanced elements. So I'm gonna try to look out for something different here. For example, Nonito, and create my brand. Now that my brand has now been successfully created, I can move on, which is adding my first advertising assessment. So I'm going to click here into start. We have the AI generated asset selection, and this is the really amazing part. We can start creating a stock image. We can start creating a product photo ad. We can start with some ad creatives here, add text, add videos, social creatives, storytelling ads, brand creatives, and so much more. For this tutorial, let's start out with some social creatives. Now here, for this tutorial, I'm going to try it out with a short story for Facebook or Instagram. Let's go for next step. Now into our image text, we can go for the option that says generate text. So here's my landing page, the product or the service, let's say for example, spooky t-shirt. So project text tone, let's go for friendly, English. What is exactly the name of the product, or what exactly does the product goes? Let's say for example that this product is a spooky coloring and great t-shirt unisex style. So my call to action, for example, let's go, which is buy now or get yours. And your target audience, we can look out for social media. For example, let's go for Instagram and Facebook. And saved and generate. Just like that, just with this information, with really easily information, I have here the image on text that I can use, which in this case, for example, you need a spooky new look, wear your spooky style, shop spooky now, or get spooky now. Call to action, which is this one, actually looks really great. I hit now to select, and this is the part where I wanted to add a background image. So let's hit now into spooky or scary to see what does the image databases of the application had. So as you can see, here's a lot of info that I can use. What I can suggest you is to add your own, since you know exactly what you're going to be uploading, what you're going to be adding created. If you don't have any money, you don't have any time, then you can just look out for some banking options. Now here is now my AI generated assets. The AI generated assets are based on the selected strategy that I chose, based on my background image, based on my brand category, and based into what exactly I'm going to be selling and how I'm going to be selling it. So as you can see, we have like a preview of the AI generated assets. So I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go straight directly into the AI assets. So for example, need a spooky new look, wear your spooky style, get spooky now, and so much more. Let's try it out with a new background image. So I hit into select image, I go for delete, downloads, and let's try it out a new t-shirt. So just in case that if you wanted to tweak the ad a little bit more further, the ad creative AI, what it can do is to provide you some customization options based on the element that you chose. So you have the engagement score, and check out how it actually looks for review. So check out which one fits for you the best, which one is better for you. Select it and go for edit. So I can go for the creative using the visual editor, or to change something easy, for example, just the text and pose, the visual editor, and much more stuff. So this is totally up to you and how would you like to use the creative editor. If you, let's say, know basics, a little bit more about branding, designs, and you wanted to look this much more interesting, right? So for example, this image, I'm going to try to quit and delete the logo style. Once you're happy with your ad, once you have previewed it, make sure that everything looks perfect, download it into the format you need it to the platform, and your ad is ready to go live. So one of the Ad Creative's AI useful features is the actual analytics tool. So it lets you track your ad's performance. You can see engagement, you can check out conversions, raised, much more. And the best part is that we have the competitors inside. We can track all of those competitors' website. So if I wanted to look out, for example, for people who are selling the same stuff as I'm doing, I'm going to open it up. Let's say, for example, scary, closed, spooky, whatever. Here I have Halloween costumes, good housekeeping, the horror dome, sniffies, whatever. So let's select just one of them, one website, just as a demonstration, as a quick demonstration. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go back into the adcreative.ai. I paste the URL here and I get the competitors inside. So the AI should be investigating the traffic sources, the insights, the highest performance rate, and all the data that can be really useful for me. For example, the page visits, they have really low visits. They have 31,000 visitors, visit count, August, the traffic share from mobile, a lot of from desktop. People who are looking for more, let's say for example, more products are females, and from 25 to 24. So the household size, the income they made, the education level, the traffic channel where they come from, the traffic journey, and the social media usage. So all of this information is going to be really attractive for me, so I can know what kind of people are actually going to be interested into this kind of elements. So take that in mind to use them as an inspiration for yourself. So this we can load a lot of each to your creates. You can use the AI insights to find some tones to get your next ads and to look out for some inspiration created of course by the AI banked inspiration. So we can use ads that were created and designed from other people so you can use them and of course start to make some sales with these ads. Even you can just check out the scores for your website, for your conversions, how they actually looked in, how they impact when you start creating and generating more ad creatives. So with this element, we can create high performing ads quickly, really easily, no design skills needed. You can try it out and start transforming your ad strategy in really no time. So as a recap, we created an ad creative.ai account. We created our very first ad. We created the competitors inside and we look out for more inspiration for more ad resolutions. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you want to receive much more stuff about ads and AI elements. Thank you so much for watching this video and well, hopefully we can all see you next time.